The session was beautiful and well structured. I actually would like to say one thing from the last
Yes.
video. There is a quote that we all know, I guess. Teacher is a profession who creates every other profession. So teacher is the one who creates all other profession. So it is such a blessing to have such a nice mentor today. Actually, me and Tejashwini were discussing, we actually had a good time. I don't even know her, but we were discussing. I learned a lot from her and other peers as well. So
Right.
thank you for actually like dividing us into a group. It was like in the back days when we were in school, we will be divided into groups and we will discuss our thoughts. We can able to have more you know more knowledge from the other person. So I
Right.
loved the way you like structured the presentation from asking us what we think about the question, because the very first thing an educator should be having is asking about what this topic means to you. Yes, they just write, today we are learning this southern north and this one, and then they just start. They don't even ask what students think about the word. So when you asked, it was such a pleasure that everyone shared their view. What is our understanding? That's where I came to know that like many people have many things, and it was such a good thing to hear what other people think. So it was
Right.
such a lovely move you did. And then also, like, after every slide you were asking us what you think, what you will be choosing, what are the things you facing. You gave us some space to say what we are actually thinking without like letting us like interrupting us, and it was very lovely. Actually, the session was
Thank
very lovely. Even we have few people here, it was such a great time. We didn't even know it was like 3 hours. It was like it,
you.
honestly, I'm not lying.
Thank you.
I think Ranjini covered most of it. Thank you for keeping this very interactive
Hmm.
and also valuing our views also, because everybody
Hmm.
is from different place of field,
Hmm.
education everywhere. So but for me is like, yes, we club new teachers with old teachers, but I never focused on that importance of mentorship.
Hmm.
So it was an eye opener that it impacts a lot on the new teachers, because how
Hmm.
much ever training we give, I think the real life experience matters for them a lot.
Thank you,
As
Tejasvi.
yeah,
Thank you.
Rajni covered most of it, there is nothing left for me to say.
Thank you so much. So, yes, both of them have already said a lot about the session being so interactive. So,
Hmm.
Tejasvi, I and Sushma had attended the first webinar itself in the last month. So, we have been a part in that, and that too, both the sessions are being really interactive, and whatever we are doing in our or, and at our working place already, we are
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
knowing it in a theoretical way, and we are
Hmm.
able to express ourselves in a better way even at the workplace right from the
Right.
day we have joined the
Yeah.
course. So it
Hmm.
is helping us a lot, and the sessions are really helping us to share our knowledge amongst ourselves. So that's a
Right.
plus point for all of us, that maybe the others can gain some knowledge from my point of view, and I am gaining a lot from them as well. So that's
Hmm.
the, it is very I would appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much.